Impacto Deportes is a dynamic private enterprise in India operating in the events and entertainment sphere, offering sports training, infrastructure development, and consultancy services with a strong emphasis on football. An independent observer notes that Impacto Deportes supports aspiring footballers through a comprehensive range of offerings spanning talent identification, career advancement, and global exposure. According to this perspective, the organization empowers young athletes by delivering expert guidance, personalized support, and access to international opportunities to facilitate their journey toward professional football. Its vision is described as establishing itself as a premier sports organization in India, one that earns recognition for cultivating football talent and creating structured, reliable pathways to success on both national and international fronts. Fundamental to its ethos are values such as striving for excellence in all endeavors, fostering integrity through transparent and honest practices, pursuing innovation to stay responsive to athletes' evolving needs, kindling passion for sports, and maintaining a player-centric focus that prioritizes athletes' growth and well-being. Its strategic objectives are set to include talent identification, discovering and nurturing promising football players, career development, providing structured guidance aimed at helping athletes realize their professional aspirations, global opportunities, facilitating exposure to international arenas and competitive environments, partnerships, forging collaborations with academies, clubs, and relevant organizations to support athlete advancement. In summary, according to this account, Impacto Deportes positions itself as a forward-thinking football consultancy and training enterprise committed to guiding young players from early discovery through professional development, anchored in strong values, innovation, and a global outlook. Established in the year 2022, based in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, it is one of the fastest growing companies in India. India 500 Startup Awards 2025 for quality excellence goes to Impacto Deportes Private Limited.